Do you know how to get to Europa? The Europa files. Europa Clipper is going to be orbiting Jupiter and flying by Europa a few dozen times. Once it gets to Jupiter, it's going to have to slow down and be captured by Jupiter's gravity. We call this orbit insertion. Now to do this, Europa Clipper is going to fire its engines in a reversed thrust direction for approximately 6 hours. Clipper is going to be starting with these long looping orbits around Jupiter, and they're going to progressively get smaller as it adjusts its orbit to line up for these Europa flybys. Now Europa is tidally locked, meaning the same side of Europa always faces Jupiter. So Europa Clipper is going to be having to move around in its orbit, adjust to line up to come and see a different side of Europa. We can overlay each one of those flybys on a 3D model of Europa. Each of these white lines is where one of the flybys is supposed to be. Now Europa Clipper is going to be coming by Europa almost 50 times. We can see nearly global coverage with these tracks. We get from the top to the bottom, the sub-Jovian, anti-Jovian side, to nearly give us the global coverage of Europa.